Hey, I am Marina, and I'm going to be your instructor for this course. You'll hear my accent. I am half Italian, half Dominican, but lived for the last 20 years in the United States and recently relocated temporarily to Europe. I've spent over 15 years working and continue working in the technology sector across a myriad of industries. I work for big companies and small companies. One of them you may know, it's called Instagram. Others you may not recognize, but if you're from Chicago, these are staples Chicago companies, such as Jellyvision, Optic Technology, Sears, and Kmart.com, and many more. I have spent my whole career working in technology, especially and specifically in the data field, AI, and machine learning. I did not choose this career specifically. I knew I've always wanted to solve big challenges with technology. But data and AI I gravitated towards me. See, during my time, there was not such a thing as a degree in data engineering or AI or machine learning. We had to learn it on the job. And growing up as a back-end developer and doing a lot of technical projects for big companies and small companies, I've learned a lot, especially a lot about teams. So with this course, which is a precursor for my next course, which is going to be Technical Product Management in AI, I want to teach you all and share with you all of the tips and tricks I've learned about how to manage high-performing and happy teams, because it is possible. Teams can be both high-performing and happy. If you're curious or more curious about my background, I'll leave a link to my website and LinkedIn, so you can check it out. But I will not bore you with all the details. Just know it's some cool stuff.